Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today we'll be doing another interesting video on how to grow your hair in the most natural way, and today we'll be doing a mask, and we'll be using just two ingredients for this hair mask. And this is the first one, which are the carrots. I've already scraped them and washed them, so they are all nice and clean, and I'll be grating it because I need to extract the juice. Feel free to blend in a blender if you feel like. I just feel like using a blender to blend this carrot and start extracting the juice just makes the whole thing messy, so I'll be grating it instead. So carrot is good for your hair because it stimulates hair growth a great deal, and it makes your roots much stronger because it contains vitamin A and E, and it also keeps your hair very soft and shiny because it contains beta carotene. So as you can see, I'm done grating the carrots, so I'm just going to keep that aside and go over to the next item we'll be using for this hair mask. So now I'm moving on to the next item, which is obviously aloe vera. Guys, I just cannot do without aloe vera because I know all the good things aloe vera has done to my hair, so it's very difficult for me not to apply aloe vera in whatever form in my hair at least once a week. There's just no way. So I don't need much, so I'll just be going with a little quantity, and I won't be blending this today, guys. I'm going to show you guys one other easy way to get your gel from your aloe vera leaf. So this method is for in case you don't have a blender and you still need to extract gel from your aloe vera. So once you scoop your gel from the leaf, put it in your plate, use a hard fork and just keep mashing it to break the gel, and mash. Guys, I decided to use this method because one good thing about doing it this way is the gel is more jelly. You know, once you blend it in your blender, it spins a lot, and at the end of the day the aloe vera turns out a bit watery, and I needed it to be very jelly. That is why I'm using this method. So once I'm done mashing it with this fork, I'm going to use my mixing machine or my hand mixer to whisk it. So aloe vera strengthens and conditions your hair. Aloe vera promotes hair growth. Obviously, aloe vera locks in moisture. Aloe vera takes care of itchy scalp. That's one of the good things I like about aloe vera. And aloe vera also repairs hair strands, amongst many other tremendous benefits of aloe vera. So guys, after whisking for a while, this is what it looks like. And now I'm just going to strain this. guys, do you get what I meant by saying using this method makes the aloe vera come out really jelly? And this is what I was going for. So at this point, I already set the aloe vera aside, and I'm going to extract the liquid from the carrot I grated earlier. So the quantity of juice I got from the carrot was like half cup, and I'm going to turn it into my bottle and add the aloe vera gel inside as well. I'm going to add the aloe vera gel inside, and the aloe vera gel was also half cup. So you're going to need both carrot and aloe vera in equal proportion for what you want to use it for. But it depends on the length of your hair though. If your hair is much longer, then you might need more than this. So now this is everything, and you can see the carrot settled at the bottom of this bottle. So you're just going to shake so everything is well combined. Guys, when you apply this in your hair, you're just going to love the feel. You can see how thick and jelly it is. It will just detangle your hair. All the richness contained in this bottle cannot be overemphasized, guys. So once you're done shaking and you're sure that it is well combined, you can go on ahead to apply it on your hair. And once you apply it, you can massage your hair for like 10 minutes and wear a shower cap and let it sit for over 30 minutes. Then you can wash it with mild shampoo. So that is all about this video. Follow this routine at least twice a week. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section, guys. Subscribe to my channel and share the video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to spread love and stay safe. Bye.